Hello everybody. It's a beautiful spring day here in the end of March. As you can see here on Little Feet Farms, it is a beautiful day. Sun's going down. Horses are getting put away. Everything's looking lovely. But what is really looking lovely is this. I have finished my restoration of my 1986 FJ1200. I bought this bike in 1987 when it had 800 miles on it. Later sold it to my stepson Kevin. Later bought it back from Kevin. Then later sold it back to Kevin. And then about, I guess it's been almost a year, 10 months ago, I bought it back from him. The bike had been, let's say it had a couple of gentle accidents while Kevin had it. So it needed a little work, but as you can see, it's looking pretty sweet. At least, I think so. The FJ has Lockhart lowers on it, which I had purchased way back in 1987, because I thought it gave that bike a completed look. Kevin's done some beautiful work on it. I have to give Kevin credit for the polished forks. He removed the anti-dive system and had a little plate machine to block that off. He polished the forks. He also polished the swing arm. You can see under there. Isn't that beautiful? This bike's 28 years old. Some parts are nearly impossible to find. For instance, the mirrors. If you can find a set of mirrors, they go for about 150 a piece normally, if you can find them. So these mirrors are actually, thanks to the FJ Owners Forum, from a 250R or a 250 Honda street bike, adapted to fit. And the best part about the bike is, I think it'll start. Oh yeah. Super Trap 4-into-1 muffler. After all these years, the header pipes were pretty well corroded, so I had them sandblasted and powder coated with high temperature powder coat. It's got a few flaws. I need to find a new air scoop for this side. It's cracked and I got a couple dings in it. But Kevin, I hope you like it. You come up, I'll let you ride it. There you are, folks. 28 years old, still going strong. Happy spring to everybody.